Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me prom makeup look. I'm going to be trying to roll out a couple more of these, like one more glam, but this one is a more subtle one. And I just wanted to share this with you guys. It was super easy and simple, but you guys will see what I'm going to do in the video. So without further ado, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and let's get started. So my eyebrows are already done. I'm going to start by moisturizing my face with the Clinique 72-hour moisturizing surge, or moisture surge I should say. I'll have all the products linked down below. I am going to show each product on the video, but I will try to remember to link each one down below. I'm also going to prep my skin with the MAC Fix Plus Prep and Prime spray, and I just pat that in the skin on top of that moisturizer. And then I'm going to start off with my eyes. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey. I'm going to use that as my base, as my eyeshadow base for the eyeshadow that I'm going to be using today. I'm then going to blend that out using a regular foundation brush. And then I'm going to set it with my favorite drugstore setting powder, which is the Airspun Translucent Setting Powder. And here I'm using a ColourPop. I didn't realize it was that pigmented, but this is a ColourPop Super Shock Shadow. I will list the color down below, but I'm using this as my crease and transition shade. I didn't realize it was this pigmented, you guys. Like, I was so shocked that it was this pigmented and so like vibrant. And I'm just using a Morphe brush to apply this, but this was a beautiful color. I'm going to try to use that color again all over the lid, but I'm going to try to do this cut crease. I'm still working on my cut creases, so don't judge me. But this is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color medium, and I'm going to take just a regular brush and carve out my crease. Now, this is when I realized that this brush that I'm using had black eyeshadow on it. I was so mad, but I didn't feel like starting over, so I just went ahead and did the other side and then came back to the eye that had the black on it and just went back over it. But I tried my best to do this little cut crease, but I'm going to work on those. So anywho, this is the ColourPop eyeshadow palette and a Pure Cosmetic eyeshadow palette. These are the two palettes I'm going to be working on. I'm going to be showing you just like a little vibrant pink type of burgundy color. I didn't know what type of look I was going for because I really wanted to use the Pure Cosmetic eyeshadow palette. Like I said, I'll link all of the items that I use down below, but I just put that all over the lid, that pink shade all over the lid in patting motions, not brushing it on. These Pure Cosmetics eyeshadows, you guys, are so buttery and so creamy. It was amazing. So I tried to use the brush and I was like, let me try to use my finger since they were so buttery and so creamy, and I just used my finger all over the lid and then went back into like the inner tear duct area and used my brush. But nevertheless, this palette is bomb, you guys. And like I said, I'll have a link down below where you can purchase it and the name of the palette. So then I just went in my crease with a like brown shade from this Pure Cosmetic palette. I ended up not really using that ColourPop. I ended up not using that ColourPop palette. I ended up just sticking with the Pure Cosmetics palette because it had a lot of vibrant colors in it that can just give me a look. Like I said, I did not know what look I was going for. I just kept going because I didn't want to start over and my camera was about to die. So here's an Essence Cosmetics liquid eyeliner pencil. You guys, I am a beginner, like not even like, I'm still trying to work on my wing liner. So if you are like me, still trying to work on your wing liner, this Essence pencil will save your life, sis. Those Essence pencils in Essence Cosmetics is sold at Ulta Beauty and online. They were $2.49. There, I'm just going to put on some mascara, which is the Benefit Bad Girl Bang, and then my eyelashes. I got those eyelashes from the Marshalls, and then I'm going to go ahead and prime my face, additional primer. This is the Pore No More Illuminizing Primer by Dr. Brandt, and the foundation is the NYX Total Control foundation drops. I'm going to be using that as the foundation today. It was dropping all over the place. I don't understand these drops, but nevertheless, that is the foundation. As you can see, it seemed like it was a bit lighter this time. So what I'm going to do is add in my Pro concealer in Warm Honey and just put a couple of strokes of that on my face as well, just to balance out that NYX Cosmetics foundation, Total Drop foundation. And I have a video on that Total Drop foundation. I have a review on that. I'll link that video down below as well, and you can check out my initial thoughts. But here I just blended those two together. This is the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, again in the color medium, and we're going to use that as my highlighting concealer under my eyes. On my chin and a little bit on my forehead. I'm now going to bronze with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep or Deep Dark, whichever one. I will list all of the products down below, but I just bronze my face with this because that whenever you put a foundation on, not even just that NYX one, but anytime you put a foundation on, it does flatten your skin. So you always want to either go in with a bronzer or blush, which I'm using right here, which is my favorite, the MAC Mineralized Blush in Lovejoy. And then this is a ColourPop Oldie But Goodie highlighter. I'll list the color down below. But whenever you're doing your foundation, you want to put depth back into your skin. So that's where the contouring and the bronzing come in. And I'm going to highlight with this Lancome highlighter. It's a dual highlighter all over my skin on top of that ColourPop. The ColourPop one was more of a creamy consistency, so it was almost like a base for the powder highlighter. And then I'm just going to go back into the palette with that same like plummy shade that I put in my crease on my bottom lash line. And then off camera I put the NYX white eyeliner pencil in my waterline. And then on the lips I'm going to use this Ulta Matte liquid lipstick in a pink color. I'll list it down below. And I'm just going to set my face with the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus spray. And then this is the finished result. So pretty simple, pretty easy. You can certainly wear this for prom, graduation, but give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love each and every one of you. Bye.